we have a new collection. I am so excited. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing our brand new Dreamcatcher collection. Oh my gosh, guys, this is probably one of my favorite collections. It is so beautiful. I am in love with every bit of this collection. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. You can see there are lots of fun goodies out here. Before I actually go over all of the new collection, I did want to share my recent sticker obsession with you guys. We did just release some heart check boxes in the shop. There are blank ones so you can write in whatever the task is that you like, and these come in 3 different sizes: the 1.5, 1.3, which fits the Hobonichi cousin. The 1.5 fit vertical style planners. You can use it in a horizontal planner as well, but like Erin Condren Recollections Happy Planner. And then the mini guy, this is 0.9, and these fit nicely in the Hobonichi week, so they are small. You can definitely use it in any of the other planners because they're small enough to fit. But I am totally obsessed. I do have one that says wash mask because I need to remember to wash my mask, and I love that it is written out in such a fun font that I created my own shop stickers to remind me to do all of the things that I usually write in my planner like almost every day, and I thought that this would be really fun to add to the shop as well for you guys. So I am going to be adding like the workout stickers. I don't know if I'll do any of the other ones on this sheet, but if you guys have any recommendations, definitely let me know down below. I will be releasing a ton more with already words on it. I just think they're so beautiful, and there's like 6 different colors on here. So that is my recent obsession. If you guys have been watching my Instagram feed, you probably have started noticing me use these all in my planner. So all right, let's get to the Dreamcatcher collection. So pretty. So of course I had to make a sticker album. I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted one, and of course you guys said yes. I am so glad you did because it came out so beautiful. So we have the moon Dreamcatcher on the left hand side, and then the gorgeous pink purple. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love them both equally. So this is available in the jumbo 6x8 size that I have here, also in the mini. It is so cute in the mini size, and then the Hobonichi week size that fit our Hobonichi weeks stickers. So let's move on to the kits. Now if you are not familiar, we do have a sticker subscription, so you can sign up to get our collections early at a better value. Right now our sticker subscription is open. It will close on March 5th, and then we start shipping on March 6th. That will be themed for May, and oh my goodness guys, I cannot wait to share it with you. It is so fun. I will be showing sneak peeks of that collection on Instagram and Facebook coming up soon, but I will tell you guys it is one of our retro collections. So every year we like to do a retro theme, and this is going to be it for May. So definitely going to be a super fun collection. All right, so like I said, we do have the subscription, so I like to go over these according to our subscription, but you can get these in the shop now. So subscribers not only save more and get their kits early, they also get 2 extra little freebies. This deluxe sampler, it is a little thank you sampler for all of our subscribers that have the weekly spread, Daydream Believer, some arrows, and then checklists, a little box, and then a large box here, and of course the Happy Mail. And then one beautiful heart vinyl sticker with the Dreamcatcher in the left hand corner there. So pretty, guys. All right, let's zoom you in. Alright, so I'm going to start out with the basic kit. This is a weekly kit designed for a vertical style planner. It does come with 6 different sticker sheets. You can purchase this as a full set, or you can choose your favorite sheet and purchase them individually. Alright, so sheet number 1 come with all of your gorgeous illustrations up top there, Dreamer, the weekend banner, all of your fun icons. Sheet number 2 have your very large washi for the bottom section, and then an extra box, a little heart checklist, task reminders, and some page flags. Sheet number 3 are all of your functional boxes, so quarter boxes, half boxes, and then these gorgeous little chevrons down here. And then all of our sticker sheets also have a very large washi on the side here. I like to put that on top of every one of my weeks. And then of course my very favorite sheet of all is the full boxes. Look how pretty that is. I want to know which one is your favorite. Do you guys have a favorite one? Oh, they're just so pretty. And then sheet number 5 are your full box checklists. And then the last sheet is your to-do headers, your washi, extra heart boxes, and then of course your date covers. So that is a look at the basic kit. Now if you signed up for the ultimate sticker bundle, you would get the basic kit, and then you'd also get a matching monthly kit as well. So this monthly kit, our 2021 kits have the blank days of the week down here, and then we have them over here so you can add them to the planner. I know the Recollections changed their layout for 2021. I think their note section is on the left hand side now, so it makes all of the dates different. So this is really easy, whatever planner you have, or if you just want to change your days of the week start, then it works out really well. So it has all of your full boxes here, quarter boxes here, extra half boxes, your sidebar here that is split up into 4 large boxes, some icons, and of course all of your date flags. Now Ultimate subscribers also get an exclusive note page kit. These are not available in the shop. I already have mine on my planner, so I wanted to just show you it in action. I do still have a couple of note kits available in the shop now, but we will not be adding these to the shop anymore. I wanted to have something a little more exclusive for our subscribers. So this is what it looks like. It does come with a few other headers that you can have and make your own. You can also write on them as well. So that is a look at the notes kit. We also have an April monthly kit made for the A6 Hobonichi. Now we don't have a subscription for the A6 yet. I don't know if we will be adding one. The A6 doesn't have a weekly section in the planner. There is a supplement that you can buy, but it is much smaller, and I don't see a lot of people using a ton of stickers in that. So if we do get a ton of requests for it, we may add it, but for now this is just available in the shop. So it is 1 sticker sheet. It has your sidebar here, your bottom washi, all of your boxes and your date covers, and then your full boxes and check flags there. Next is our Hobonichi Cousin subscription. Now I believe that everything in here is available in the shop a la carte. The first thing that it comes with are 3 different sidebars. Now these are listed in the functional sticker section because they also fit vertical planners as well. So we didn't want to just put them in the Cousin because they do fit other planners. So it comes with Catcher 1, 2, and 3. We just simplified it. Each one come with a small task reminder, a quarter box, and then a very large sticker strip here, so you can write in like 4 different sections in your note section. So like for me, I like to use it for like to do, to buy, YouTube, and designs. I do change it up every week, so it is nice to have them blank. The weekly kit comes with 2 sticker sheets, so all of the fun illustrations, just smaller than the vertical planner stickers. The large box here fits the black box in the cousin, and then your sidebar stickers, your beautiful washi down at the bottom here, and then all of your full boxes, weekend banner, some fun icons here, all of your quarter boxes, and then your date headers there. Now, along with the weekly kit, you do have the option to add on extra boxes. So these are made to fit the Hobonichi cousin. I really enjoy using these and making the whole subscription last for all 4 months, especially when you include the sidebars here. You can make it all look super cohesive for the entire month, which is what I like to do. Now, it also comes with a 2-page monthly kit as well. So all of your sidebars here, your date headers, extra boxes here, full boxes, your date covers, washi strip, and then tons of smaller quarter boxes and flags. And then the last 2 sheets are your headers and your date covers. I like to use these in the notes section of the Hobonichi cousin, and then I put a little box on the left or the right hand side to make it a longer box. And then all of your date covers so that you have enough for 5 weeks in your cousin. That way, if there is a 5th week, you always have that extra 5th week in there. So that is a look at all of the cousin stickers. Now, these are the only 2 sheets that do get duplicated in the subscription. So if you are signed up to the Hobonichi cousin and the bullet journal, you will be getting 2 sets of these. These work really well as a bullet journal as well. So these 2 will be coming in the bullet journal collection. The bullet journal also have the larger deco sheet here for the dream catcher. So these are bigger than like the vertical stickers and of course the cousin or the Hobonichi weeks. Also a large tracker. I do use a lot of these bullet journal stickers inside the note section in the cousin as well. It also comes with an April calendar. They're 2 large sticker sheets. These are undated, so you can use them for different years if you like. And then the last 2 sheets here are not available in the shop as well, so these are exclusive just for subscribers. These are large sticker sheets that you can put right inside a bullet journal or the Hobonichi cousin. And then the last subscription is of course our Hobonichi weeks, one of my favorites. The subscription comes with 1 monthly kit and 4 weekly kits. The monthly kit is 1 sticker sheet, so it has the sidebar here, your date covers, washi, your boxes down here, and then a few different icons in the right hand corner. The first kit, of course, is our dream catcher. So this is actually 2 large sticker sheets that you can put right on top of your Hobonichi weeks pages. You can use the dates on the left like it is in the Hobonichi weeks, and then put the note page on the right, or change it up and have your weekly kit on the right and your notes on the left, because you will cover up the full page. The next kit is our classic layout. This is called hanging beads. So your top borders here, your bottom washi, top washi, all of your boxes, heart checklist, extra icons, little flags, some washi strips here, and then a full box here. This next kit is called Feathers. Guys, this is so pretty. I just absolutely am in love with the colors here. So these are 2 large sticker sheets. So just like the Dreamcatcher kit that I just showed you, just a little bit of a different layout here. And then the last kit is called Breezy. So pretty. So this one has a top washi here, the bottom washi. This one is like a half box here that you can put in the middle of your Hobonichi weeks. And then all of your boxes, checklists, and then top and bottom washi for the right hand page. So that is a look at our brand new Dreamcatcher collection. So this is all available in the shop a la carte right now. If you do want to sign up for our next subscription, I will leave a link to that down below. So those kits will be going out March 6th through the 10th. The last day to sign up is March 5th. And then also let me know down below what you would like to add to these heart checklists, and I will be putting a bunch more in the shop shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed this new collection. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!